Damn, motherfucker, what happened to your face, man? You like a motherfucking hippo gave birth to a squid or some shit.
What happened to my face? I had to want to stand with your mom. That's what happened to my face. She put my face like this and everything. It was horrible.
Man, I know you ain't talking about my mom. I bet the real reason why your face is like this because Yoda used the Force showing you that to tame that ass last night.
Yoda, tame that ass. Well, you know what? You and Yoda can both kiss the right and left of my salty in space intergalactic space ass. Tell you what, you choose what side. Have it your way, motherfucker.
Are you threatening me, bitch? Do you know who the fuck I am, motherfucker? I'm your worst nightmare, your mama's best dream, bitch. But I tell you what, though, since threatening is your game, how about me and my intergalactic space boots go over there and shove Lightspeed foot up your ass and send your ass into orbit? And I'll send your mama there after she gets a handful of these space nuts in her mouth.
What did you just say, bitch?
Oh, yeah? Well, infinity and beyond, motherfucker.
Oh, shit. I'll be back, nigga.
Oh, hell no. I know I didn't see this motherfucker drop about 10 TV stands. What the fuck wrong with you?
Shit, about the same gonna be wrong with your ass if you keep talking to me. Bitch, I'll send your ass back to the scrapyard, motherfucker.
Oh, hell no. I know
you want a butt full of foot? You want a butt full of foot?
Hey,
you want to the moon?
I've been to the moon. I pissed on the motherfucker.
Fuck your moon. I tell you what.
Be like that.
JDS is idiots, bitch!